Hi friends. So after restart, what we have checked is WSL exe status. Okay. So the default version is 2, and before that I have obtained what is the current online version. So on in online version we have Ubuntu and all these Unix like system. Okay, Ubuntu and Fedora, Kali Linux, all of them. So after that, what I have run the command is WSL install and this Ubuntu version. Okay, LTS is getting downloaded now. Okay, it has completed up to 39% now. So now it is getting installed. Let's see after that what happens. Yeah, so downloading is completed up to 99. Yeah, it is now getting installed. Perfect. So now you can see. Welcome to Windows Subsystem for Linux. Okay, so here it is. Welcome to WSL Windows Subsystem for Linux. Best practice for setup. Getting started with Linux. Okay, I believe create a default Unix user account. Okay, if you can see this, create a default Unix server account. Uh, uh, um, so let me say everywhere I use RTech only. Okay, enter new password. Password will also be default one. Perfect. So now you can see how we installed Ubuntu 24. Okay, so this is how you can install on your machine, which is Windows 11, or if it is Windows 10, the same process you can follow. Okay, so to run command as an administrator, user sudo command. Okay, so let's say sudo. Okay, let's say perfect. So you can see here, right? So this is root. Okay, before this it was rtech. Okay, so this is what you can see here. Okay, now cat etc os release. So you can see all the details here regarding Ubuntu. Uh, host name. So this particular host name is picked up from my base OS system. Okay, so if you could see this, yeah, both are same, right? Here, let's see hostname hyphen I. What is the IP? Yeah, so IP is different here. Okay, here in this case, hostname hyphen I. Oh, sorry, IP config. IP config. Okay, so in my case, if you could see, the IP of base system is fine. It is not 50.1. I'll show you. See here, I have VMware virtual machine. Okay, VMware workstation also installed. So this is a network for VMware workstation. Okay, one for VMnet 8 and one for VMnet 1. Since we have installed WSL, okay, it has got installed on Hyper-V platform, okay, of your own base OS. Okay, so let me show you. Turn Windows feature on or off. So here, if you could see Windows hypervisor platform, okay, this one is already enabled. Okay, virtual machine platform, it is also enabled, right? So this is how it is obtaining a particular NIC. So V Ethernet WSL Hyper-V firewall, right? So if you can see 172.18, 184, 182. Okay, so 172. Okay, 172, 18, 184. So here also you have 18. Okay. 176. Yeah. So it has got the network IP from this particular NIC. Okay. So this is how you can install and check how your Linux or Ubuntu works on WSL. Okay. Let me try to ping my own system. 192.168.1 point because I'm connected to my other iPhone Wi-Fi. So the IP is 172.20.10.4. 172.20.10.4. 172.20.10.4. Okay, not able to ping 20 and okay. So I'll connect in my home Wi-Fi and we'll see this. Okay. Meanwhile, everything is fine as of now. Okay, so that's all in this virtual WSL installation. Okay, so this is how you can also perform the installation on your system. Thank you guys. See you in another video.